This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting on an HP laptop. First, make sure your internet is stable and you can receive verification codes. Once done, decide whether to use an existing email or create a new Outlook address and plan a secure password you can remember. Now open Windows Settings, go to Accounts, and choose to sign in with a Microsoft account or create one at Account. Microsoft.com. This begins the Microsoft account creation flow on your device. You'll now enter personal details. Pick a username or use your current email, then create a strong password that mixes letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure to add a recovery phone number or alternate email. This helps if you lose access. When prompted, enable two-step verification for better security. Next, check your phone or recovery inbox for the verification code. Enter it immediately to validate the account, and complete setup by signing into Windows with your new Microsoft account and allowing sync for OneDrive, Edge, and Settings. This keeps files and preferences consistent. Then create a PIN and enable Windows Hello if your HP supports it to speed logins. Finally, review privacy and sync options so you control what's shared. If something goes wrong, like a failed verification, first retry the code, check spam folders, and then use the alternate recovery contact. Contacting Microsoft support is your last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.